Hello, for those that are watching and don't know, my name is Helen, and if I have met you before, welcome back. I am so glad you are here with me today. Today we're talking about something that has been all over the news lately, biological aging. You've probably heard celebrities talk about having a younger biological age than their actual age. You may have seen headlines about reversing your biological clock, reducing inflammation, or slowing cellular aging. But here's what no one is really explaining. You don't need expensive supplements, you don't need exotic superfoods, and you definitely don't need to spend more money. In fact, when I made changes to support my biological age, I ended up saving about $300 a month. And I want to tell you how. Meet me inside. A few years ago, I didn't feel like my younger self. I wasn't sick, but I wasn't energized either. I felt stiff in the mornings. My workouts felt harder, my sleep wasn't as deep, and I just didn't feel vibrant. I remember looking in the mirror and thinking, when did I start feeling older than I am? And then I realized it wasn't just my age. It was inflammation, muscle loss, blood sugar spikes, and convenience foods. It was also all those expensive, healthy products I kept buying because marketing told me I should. Protein bars, bottled smoothies, specialty cereals, fancy supplements, pre-made health bowls. My grocery bill kept climbing, but my energy didn't. So I decided to simplify, not restrict, not starve, simplify. What biological aging really means. Biological aging isn't your birth certificate age. It reflects your muscle mass, your blood sugar stability, your inflammation levels, your heart health, and your metabolic function. When those improve, your biological age can improve. After 60, two of the biggest drivers of accelerated aging are muscle loss and chronic inflammation. So I asked myself, what if I built my plate around protecting muscle and lowering inflammation without fancy products? Instead of removing everything, I added 4 simple foods: eggs, sardines, lentils, frozen vegetables like broccoli, spinach, cabbage, and carrots. Why eggs? Eggs are affordable, complete protein, and support brain health. I stopped buying protein bars and started cooking eggs again. There are many different recipes, making it easy to add into your meals. Why sardines? Sardines are one of the most affordable sources of omega-3 fats. They help reduce inflammation and support heart and brain health. Why lentils? Lentils are cheap, high in fiber, a great source of plant protein, and excellent for stabilizing blood sugar. They replaced packaged lunches. Why frozen vegetables? Frozen vegetables mean no spoilage, no waste, and steady nutrients that support gut health and lower inflammation. Just looking at all these recipes made me hungry. Did you see anything you might like? Comment down below and share your favorite. Okay, now for where the $300 savings came from. I stopped buying protein bars, bottled smoothies, frozen diet meals, snack packs, and every new supplement trend. I didn't eliminate everything, I just stopped chasing marketing. One week it's collagen, the next week it's mushroom coffee, then it's something else promising anti-aging results. The truth is simple: protect muscle, lower inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, prioritize sleep. I am now going to share a simple week of eating that helped me feel stronger and more energetic. Keep watching. You don't need to write this down. Like and comment below if you would like a copy. Monday breakfast was eggs with spinach. Lunch was lentils and cabbage. Dinner was chicken thighs and broccoli. Tuesday breakfast was oats with flaxseed. Lunch was sardines on whole grain toast. Dinner was bean chili and greens. Wednesday was Greek yogurt and walnuts for breakfast, leftover chicken for lunch, lentil soup for dinner. Thursday was eggs again, sardines for lunch, and chicken with vegetables for dinner. Friday was oats for breakfast, leftover chili for lunch, and simple protein and vegetables for dinner. Saturday was a vegetable omelet, lentils for lunch, roasted chicken for dinner. Sunday was yogurt and berries, soup for lunch, and protein with greens for dinner. Within a few weeks, my morning stiffness decreased. My sleep improved, my energy stabilized, my workouts felt easier, and my grocery bill dropped dramatically. Muscle is one of the strongest predictors of longevity, and protein preserves muscle. Fiber improves gut health and helps regulate inflammation. Omega-3 fats reduce inflammatory markers. Stable blood sugar reduces stress inside the body. When those improve, biological aging slows. If you're wondering if it's too late, it isn't. Muscle responds at any age. Inflammation can improve within weeks. Blood sugar stabilizes quickly when processed foods decrease. Start small. Add eggs to breakfast. Swap protein bars for lentils. Buy frozen vegetables instead of prepackaged meals. Cook once and eat twice. When you save $300 a month, that's $3,600 a year. That's travel, experiences, peace of mind. Longevity isn't just about years. It's about quality of life. I enjoyed today. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Join our community here at Healthy Wealthy Seniors. Let's do this together so we can live longer with more energy and more financial peace of mind. The Healthy, Wealthy Senior Way. Make sure you remember to come back now that you are part of our community. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for spending time with us.